How to enable Instagram subscriptions as creator. To enable Instagram subscriptions as a creator, first of all, launch the Instagram application and also make sure that you are eligible for this feature. First of all, you must be at least 18 years old and you need a minimum of 10,000 followers. And your account must be a professional creator account, not business or personal. And you must live in an eligible country such as US, UK, Canada, Australia, and selective reasons. And you also must comply with the Instagram's partner monetization policies and content monetization policies. Now, once you launch the application, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner, then tap on this professional dashboard right below your profile bio. From here, tap the monetization tools or finances option. However, it is not shown over here because this feature is not yet available within my account and my region. But once you find it, you simply have to tap on it, then select the subscriptions from the list, then tap get started or set up and also add your payout account, choose your monthly price, then publish it. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.